Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. This is a very simple and amazing scalping indicator that changed my trading, and I'm going to be giving you this scalping indicator for 100% free. All you need to do is to go to the description of this channel, of this very video, and know how you can get your own copy. Now this indicator is very amazing. What I use it for is to scalp the market. I scalp at least 10 to 15 pips per signal. 10 to 15 pips per signal. Once I am in 10 pips or 15 pips profit, I jet out of the market. So you also, if you get this system, if you get this indicator, depending on your analysis, just take few pips and leave the market. It's a very effective indicator that you're going to really enjoy using. So this indicator can also be used to trade. I majorly use it to trade gold and Bitcoin. So you can use it to trade any of the financial market at all. It's just a scalping indicator. Just scalp few pips and move out of the market. So all you need to do is go to the description of this very video right now and download your own copy. Also make sure you subscribe to this very channel and also like this video so that you will be notified next time we are updating good and very effective indicator like this. Let me tell you, this indicator is not a free indicator, it's a premium indicator. It's a premium indicator, but we are going to be giving it to you for 100% free. So go to the description of this very video right now and know how to download your own copy for 100% free. Thank you once again for watching our video. We'll also be updating many amazing free content like this as time goes on. Thank you for watching once again. I am FX Ninja, and bye for now.